Sheer hell on a highway. Car after car caught in a massive chain reaction pileup.
We gotta get out!
They just keep coming. And when it seems the worst may have passed,
oh my Lord, it's an 18-wheeler coming.
Another smash.
Come on.
In all, 47 vehicles were involved. Look at the carnage. It's like a war zone.
The car just kept slamming.
I spoke to Jamon Weaver, who shot the video, and his girlfriend Taneka Evans, who was driving the rig they were in. Taneka, when you saw all of this carnage around you, what was your reaction?
I was really shaken. All I kept seeing was debris from the accident flying up.
The horrific accident happened outside Kansas City, Missouri, the result of a blanket of terrible weather hitting the nation. How can you avoid a nightmare like this? We asked safety expert Pat Daly.
The thing to remember with winter driving is that people tend to go too fast in a situation that they don't realize is dangerous. So slow down, and if you go to the brakes and you feel the brake pulsing, that's ABS, anti-lock brakes that are taking over at that point. Stay with it, and it will gradually bring your car to a stop. The thing to remember is slow movements. Steering should be slow, acceleration slow, and brake slow. The other thing that's important in winter driving is don't slam on the brakes. Be gentle and smooth.
Hopefully those tips will help you steer clear of trouble like this.